Show. Eh, meron ko si PB.
Si PB man din.
That's YouTube.
What are you eating?
Garlic.
Will you show?
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Just
Wow.
pengi pa isa.
You let her
She also eat the
show
garlic.
it. Hold it.
Look at
Wow.
going, ew.
Gusto ka?
Hawak mo.
Yummy.
Ipawak mo ate.
Oh.
Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand.
Ipigyan mo ate.
Sa amin naman sa San Francisco, raise your hand. Ano ba yung sinabi nila? If Annabelle is yung umaarte,
Acting
it
up.
was, acting up or drama queen. Hindi, nagtaas-
Yummy pizza.
Raise your hands. Hands, if you think, if you believe that Annabelle is ready to go to bed, nagluluko eh. Eh di ganyan kami lahat, si Marguerite, tsaka ako na. Juliet! Raise your hand! Sumususo.
Really?
Juliet! Raise your hand! Kaya ngayon eh,
May isa pa
Juliet,
raw.
raise your hand! Ayan din siya.
Not too much, Lynn.
One more na lang, that's it.
Good.
Magkamag-anak pala sila ni Juliet. Ang hindi na magkamag-anak yung katawan.
Yeah. So that.
Kasi ganyan si
There she
Juliet.
goes.
Have you ever given her
Pickles?
pickles?
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Good girl.
Can you get a high five?
High five doesn't
Yeah, si Juliet
Thank you
din.
very much.
Pero mahinhin ito.
Wala na.
Yung akin,
Wala
yung
na.
akin
How about
hindi.
tomorrow we give you pickles?
Wala na.
See now, like you ate pickled garlic too. Now you can.
Wala na.
Not more.